y'all. As you can see, you got one box on top of the car, and that box is HKS blow-off valves. So we finally got to it, y'all. So sorry for the hold up. Yes, I know my air struts are still there. No, I didn't put it on yet, but I did install the management. But we're not talking about the management today. We're gonna talk about that later. But what I did do was already install these HKS blow-off valves, which were a pain. And I will tell you, it was very simple concept of it, but just a pain on, you know, trying to get to those wires. So here's the blow-off valves right here. There you go. Got them all wired up, tucked in there and everything. So literally Z1 Motorsports HKS blow-off valves they're pretty good for the most part. I love the sound. Good quality noise. I'm gonna give you a sound clip here in a few. But this is just a short little clip. I would like to say there is the only hard part about this install. So the reason why it was so what took me forever to get these blow-off valves in the car was just the hose clamps behind here. I don't know if you can see it, but literally behind here. Yeah, no, not this one, but it's like two behind here, right? And I have these other hose clamps connected to it, which I do need to tuck. It's terrible, but yeah, that took forever. I think this itself took me about 6 hours, which is ridiculous. Cause as soon as I got those two clamps behind the manifold, the rest of this right here probably took like 30 minutes this side, 30 minutes this side, an hour. But yeah, it was pretty intense. And whoever, I'm gonna let you know, Infiniti, they love to put these on like opposite ways. Like this would be underneath here, and this one be up top. That's ridiculous. Make them both up top. Make it easy. Make it easy for a player. But let's get to it. I know what y'all can't hear. Y'all can't hear it, right? Awesome.
Angela.
My name is Blackstar. I'll surpass the power of the god.
Extremula.